Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Chevrolet Corvette C8 versus Ferrari. We'll explore how these two iconic sports car brands stack up against each other, focusing on their performance, design, and overall driving experience. While both offer incredible thrills, they cater to different segments of the automotive market. Get ready to dive into the details of what makes each of these machines truly special and unique. When it comes to raw power, the Corvette C8 2-liter V8 engine delivers a robust 495 horsepower, allowing it to hit 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. Ferrari, on the other hand, often boasts V8 or V12 engines that can easily surpass 700 horsepower, pushing performance boundaries even further. Both cars offer incredible speed, but Ferrari typically holds an edge in sheer output and top-end performance. The Corvette C8 presents a bold, angular design with a distinct American flair, featuring a cockpit optimized for the driver. Ferrari's design language is all about timeless elegance and aerodynamic artistry, often incorporating exquisite Italian craftsmanship. While both offer advanced technology and premium materials inside, the C8 leans towards a more functional, performance-oriented feel, whereas Ferrari prioritizes opulent luxury and bespoke finishes. Ultimately, the Corvette C8 offers an incredible performance bargain, with starting prices around $70,000, making high-performance driving accessible to more enthusiasts. Ferrari, however, represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury and exclusivity, with many models starting well above $250,000. Both deliver an unforgettable driving experience, but the choice often comes down to budget and desired level of prestige. For those looking to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.